Hey guys, I'm here with Level Up RN, and today we are discussing whether blueberries really are the ultimate superfood. In this video, we're going to discuss what research has to say about blueberries and whether they really are the #1 superfood that many people consider them to be. Before we get into it though, please make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you find value in this video, please share it with a friend or family member. All right, let's jump right into it. Blueberries have become very popular over the last few decades, showing up in everything from smoothies to yogurts to protein bars. They can be eaten fresh, frozen or dried, and are considered a superfood because of their high concentration of nutrients and health benefits. So what are some of these benefits, and are there any downsides to eating blueberries that you need to be aware of? Let's take a look at the science. Blueberries are a type of berry that grows on low-lying shrubs. They are native to North America, Europe, Asia, and some parts of Australia. Blueberries contain a number of different nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, manganese, a number of different flavonoids, and dietary fiber. It is these powerful plant compounds, along with their high concentrations of vitamins and minerals, that promote the numerous health benefits associated with eating blueberries. Let's go through some of the most well-known and well-researched benefits of blueberries and see what the evidence says. Number 1. Heart health. Numerous studies have shown that eating blueberries can improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Nutrition concluded that eating just 1 serving of blueberries per day can reduce total cholesterol by 7.1 milligrams per deciliter, mg/dl, and LDL cholesterol by 3.2 mg/dl. This effect is thought to be due to the high concentration of anthocyanins, which are a type of flavonoid found in blueberries. Another study found that eating blueberries can reduce inflammation by decreasing the levels of white blood cell reaction and interleukin-6. Reducing inflammation in the body is associated with improved heart health, since chronic inflammation is a major risk factor for heart disease. One way that you can increase your intake of blueberries is by adding them to smoothies. There are tons of delicious recipes available online, and you can easily add them in either fresh or frozen. My favorite way to eat blueberries is to simply buy them frozen and keep them in the freezer. You can use them to make smoothies or just eat them straight from the bag as a snack. Just make sure you buy them straight from the freezer section, and don't buy the ones that are shelf-stable at room temperature, as those are dried blueberries and they have a different texture. Number 2. Brain health. Blueberries also contain a number of compounds that support brain health, including anthocyanins, flavonols, quercetin, kaempferol, pterostilbene, and vitamin C. One of the most well-studied benefits of blueberries is their potential to improve cognitive function and memory. In fact, one study found that eating a diet rich in blueberries can improve spatial memory in mice with Alzheimer's disease. Another study found that eating just 100 grams of blueberries per day can improve cognitive function in healthy older adults. In addition, a number of other studies have shown that blueberries may be effective in reducing the risk of developing age-related cognitive disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. It is believed that the neuroprotective properties of blueberries are due to their high concentration of antioxidants, which help to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of a number of different diseases when left unchecked. Because of this, it is important to consume a diet rich in antioxidants on a regular basis to maintain good health. You can easily do this by eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Remember, the more color, the more antioxidants. Number 3, cancer prevention. In addition to their other health benefits, blueberries have also been shown to play a role in preventing certain types of cancer, particularly colon, breast, and prostate cancer. A number of test tube studies have shown that blueberry extract can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, which is a fancy word for programmed cell death. While more research is needed to fully understand the role that blueberries play in cancer prevention, the available evidence suggests that eating a diet rich in blueberries may be associated with a reduced risk of developing certain types of cancer. If you want to get more blueberries into your diet, try adding them to oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal. Not only are they delicious, but they are also a great source of fiber, which helps to keep you full and satisfied. Number 4, blood sugar control. Blueberries are a low glycemic index food, meaning that they will not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. In fact, a number of studies have shown that eating blueberries can actually help to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. One study found that consuming just 100 grams of blueberries per day can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 14. This effect is likely due to the high concentration of anthocyanins and other bioactive compounds found in blueberries. Anthocyanins are thought to improve insulin sensitivity by mimicking insulin's effects on fat cells, which leads to increased glucose uptake and reduced blood sugar levels. Number 5. Weight loss. In addition to their other health benefits, blueberries are also a low-calorie food, containing just 85 calories per cup. This makes them an excellent snack option for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy body weight. In fact, one study found that eating a high blueberry diet can lead to weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and satisfaction after meals. The high fiber content of blueberries is thought to be responsible for this effect, as fiber helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps to keep you full for longer periods of time. All right, now that we've discussed all the benefits of blueberries, are there any downsides to eating them that you need to be aware of? In general, blueberries are a very safe food to consume, and there are no major side effects associated with eating them. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, as with any food, it is possible to eat too many blueberries and consume more calories than you burn, which can lead to weight gain. In addition, blueberries are high in oxalates, which are compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Finally, blueberries are acidic and may cause heartburn or acid reflux in some people. If you experience any negative effects after eating blueberries, it is important to talk to your doctor and see if it could be something else. So, are blueberries really the ultimate superfood? When it comes to nutrition, the jury is still out on whether any one food can claim the title of the ultimate superfood. But there is no doubt that blueberries are a nutrient-dense food that offers a number of health benefits. From their high concentration of antioxidants to their low glycemic index, blueberries are an excellent choice for people who are looking to improve their overall health and well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a pint of blueberries and enjoy them as a delicious and nutritious snack or meal addition. All right. That's been a look at the benefits and risks of blueberries and whether they really are the ultimate superfood. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend or family member. Stay healthy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.